Hey, what's up? So this is gonna be another trade recap. Just got done in my middle of my first shift of DoorDash, but I'm trying to record this video. I couldn't upload the video right after after I was done trading because I had to go on a shift. But we're at dead DoorDash time, so anyway, I'm here to review the trade. So basically, on MES, on MNQ, so basically during Asia, and we had this like kind of big rally up, not consolidation, but there were people were buying, people were buying at Asia, and then we swept Asia highs, and we reversed back down, kind of like a little bit of, not aggressively, but kind of like, there was definitely price action after that sweep, and we're making lower highs and lower lows. We're making these equal highs right here, but again, after we broke structure to here, price went in kind of just dumped, as you can see, and accumulation over here at pre-market, coming into like 8:30. Obviously, we try to reach for the highs up over here, but obviously we failed. So then we dumped back even lower to grab liquidity so that we could offset these buy stops. So the people that are behind this makes money, according to ICT concepts. I probably articulated that very wrongly. Not in the best of ability, but it is what it is. We were able to, I guess we're almost able to go for a previous day's lows. So this is on MES. The reason why I had this line earlier is because it was making it was a clear bearish SMT compared to the MNQ. So high time frame SMT bearish to the downside and while MNQ was up, this one was down. So I took the pair, the commodity that was of my bias. So I did that, and it yielded me results. One thing though is that I don't know if you know, but as I was trading, I thought that so I was like right here, right? Once I traded, I guess did I trade here, or what did I trade at? What time was this? Oh, so this was at 10. This was 10 o'clock. I think it was right. I'm pretty sure it was like, yeah. I think it was right here where my stop loss was. I'm pretty sure, and I set a buy limit order over here, and my stop loss was at these lows right here at yesterday's New York PM low and yesterday's London low, that which also has as you can see, there's an order block right there at the low. Take kind of a stop raid offering sell side, taking out all these going after buy stops before obviously dumping. So that's why there was an accumulation, like a buying accumulation of Asia and a swept. So see, this is like a pattern, but yeah, we basically I went for these lows, and as I was going for these lows, I accidentally closed the position early when I saw that like I had my equilibrium tool right here, and I thought that in my Top Step X account, it looked like the candle wicked all the way to the bottom, and then it was going back up here, and it didn't fill my closing order. So I was like, what the fuck? So it was like it was like right here. So I was like, fuck it, bro. Like, I'm not trying to go here and lose money, because I did trail my stop loss at the 50% when I was at 50%. But thinking that price took TP. Hit my TP without actually closing the position and wicking back up. I thought that was unfair as fuck, and it would be dumb for me to lose money. It'd be dumb for me to lose money. So what the fuck am I saying? I'll be like, okay, let me just close the position, and then I remove this, and bro, we didn't even wick this. Like, see, this is my stop loss, my TP is over here, and I was trailing my stop loss right here because it was at the 50%. So like, man, fuck this. So I was like, you know what? So I just closed the position and I ended up with, instead of like the $300-ish I think I was gonna make, I just made I made 108 on the combine on Top Step. So yeah. Not very good. I missed out on the full, I guess, profit shit. So see right here, this is where this is where this line is. That's where I closed. Entering off, my confluences were obviously the failure to take these highs, and kind of like, I guess the aggressive candle to the downside, plus the market structure shift right before the 10 a.m. kill zone. 10 a.m. No, not 10 a.m. kill zone, but also you can say that, but also the New York AM session at the start of NY session. I mean, kind of displacement to the downside, an aggressive displacement, like I said earlier, and a market structure shift kind of confirmed that we might go attack go for sell side. And if we go to MNQ, which was the commodity I was going to risk to get a trade. See, so I was right. There was this SMT right here that was. We also, since ES and NQ are correlating pairs, we obviously we wanted to attack those as well. Am I making sense? Holy shit! But yeah, man. Like I said, it was an order block. I was going to trade MNQ, but I traded MES instead, just because it was the SMT was in line with my bias. That's what I do. So yeah, I guess that's that. Hopefully, I taught you guys. When I'm teaching myself, when I'm going over these recaps, and in turn, I want to go ahead and like kind of bring some insight towards you guys. So yeah, so after attacking the sell side, we might actually go. Price right now is as of 2:43 p.m. Right now, price is kind of we got up and then we made a higher low, but we're making also a lower high, but also a higher low. So I don't know where this is gonna go. It could go in any direction. If I can just right here, gonna go here, then here. Oh wait, the fuck, gonna go here and then here, and then Asia. Either we might see a dump at the imbalance over here to previous day lows, or we might actually take these liquidity. So it could be anybody's game, but it looks like I think they're accumulating here. I don't know what's going on. I really don't know what's going on. But yeah, we might see. Let's see what it does for. Let's see what it does. At Monday when market opens, a good area of liquidity would be a new week's opening gap, or opening price or whatever. So yeah, that's all I have to say. I'm right now in the parking lot of my college, which I don't go to, which I used to go to. And what I'm gonna do is just gonna go do a little back test sesh after a DoorDash. I do DoorDash, so I do DoorDash run. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. I'll see you guys for like the next trading session. Actually, never mind. Peace out.